GTV. Today we'll be taking a look at contactors. A contactor can stand on its own as a power control device or as part of a starter. Contactors are used in applications ranging from a light switch to the most complex automated industrial equipment. Contactors are used by electrical equipment that is frequently turned off and on with the opening and closing of a circuit. The function of the contactor is to make and break all power supply lines running to a load or to repeatedly establish and interrupt an electrical power circuit. Some major applications of contactors include lighting circuits, heaters, and transformers. Contactors are often used to provide central control of large lighting installations, such as an office building or retail building. To reduce power consumption in the contactor coils, latching contactors are used, which have two operating coils. One coil, momentarily energized, closes the power circuit contacts, which are then mechanically held closed. The second coil opens the contacts. Contactors operate when the E-frame is energized by the coil and becomes an electromagnet. The armature, a companion to the E-frame, is connected to a set of contacts. The armature is movable but is held by a spring. When the coil is energized, the movable contacts are pulled toward the stationary contacts because the armature is pulled toward the E-frame. Once the two sets of contacts meet, power can flow through the contactor to the load. When the coil is de-energized, the magnetic field is broken and the spring forces the two sets of contacts apart. Contactors are used when no overload protection is necessary and at lower levels of electrical current. They are also operated electromechanically and use a small control current to open and close the circuit. To learn more about the different types of contactors, please take a look at our other videos on GTV. You can find many contactors and thousands of other products and services available at gelco.com.